Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Contacts. Google.com or clicking Google Apps then Contacts inside Gmail. Sign in with the exact account that held the lost entries. Once authenticated, go straight to the left menu and open Trash to view recently deleted contacts and also find Undo Changes, which can restore your address book to a previous time. Do this first because it often recovers many entries without exports. Make sure you pick the correct account, especially if you use multiple Google logins on one device. Once you're in Undo Changes, choose a rollback window, 10 minutes, 1 hour, yesterday, 1 week, or a custom time up to 30 days, and apply it. This rewrites your current contacts list to that snapshot. If entries were deleted recently, open Trash and select specific contacts to restore instead. Then export the recovered list as CSV or vCard so you have a local backup. Make sure to check duplicates and merge any conflicting entries before continuing to sync on devices. To finish, force your devices to sync. On Android, use Settings accounts Google Sync Contacts. On iPhone, toggle contacts off and on for the Google account. If web-based restore did not bring everything back, import the CSV or vCard you exported earlier to rebuild missing records. If contacts remain missing, check any other Google accounts you own or ask your G Suite/Workspace admin to check account-level backups, and if needed, use the trash recovery within 30 days as your final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.